Hello everyone. Today, we're reviewing Australian Unity Bank, an institution that focuses on providing competitive savings products with a customer-friendly approach. We'll cover the advantages, disadvantages, and conclude with a final rating. First, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes. Always verify the latest rates and product details directly with Australian Unity Bank. This is not financial advice. Please consult a financial advisor for specific guidance. Advantages. Competitive savings rates. Australian Unity offers strong interest rates on its Freedom Saver account, with up to 5.2% par, on balances up to $100,000. It's an excellent option for those looking to maximize their savings with no minimum deposit or monthly fees, and the account allows for unlimited withdrawals without penalty. No fees. One of the standout features of Australian Unity Bank is its commitment to no account-keeping fees on the Freedom Saver account. This makes it an affordable and accessible option for everyday savers who want to avoid unnecessary charges. Digital convenience. Australian Unity Bank offers an easy-to-use mobile app that allows customers to manage their savings and transaction accounts on the go. The app supports payment features like PayID and mobile wallets, making it convenient for tech-savvy customers. Disadvantages. Savings rate conditions. While the interest rate is competitive, to maintain the highest rate of 5.2%, you'll need to meet certain conditions, such as maintaining a growing balance. If these requirements are not met, the rate can drop, which might be frustrating for some savers. Limited product range. While Australian Unity excels in its savings products, its range of offerings for more complex financial needs, like loans and investment products, may not be as robust as those of larger banks. If you're looking for a broader suite of financial services, you might need to look elsewhere. No physical branches. Australian Unity operates primarily online with limited physical presence. While this works well for most digital-first customers, those who prefer face-to-face interactions or complex services might find this limiting. Final rating. Australian Unity Bank offers a great no-fee savings account with competitive interest rates, especially for those who prioritize digital convenience and straightforward savings. However, its conditional interest rates and limited branch access may not appeal to everyone. I'd rate Australian Unity Bank a solid 8/10.